Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since my video yesterday, I expected stronger magnetic pressure to finally pull the Bitcoin price into the red short liquidation zone, derived from the one-week liquidation heat map. But so far, price has just ranged tightly around the blue horizontal at 107.5K. We even briefly touched the yellow horizontal line at 106.5K before bouncing right back up. Bulls are clearly defending this zone and holding the level for now. But I still believe we are going to get pulled into the red box sooner than expected and liquidate the cluster sitting around 109K. If we zoom into the 3-day liquidation heat map, the upside short liquidation pocket becomes clear. It stretches from 108.3K to 109.8K. This area looks prime for a sweep. Below us, however, sits a broad long liquidation zone starting at 106.2K and spreading all the way down to 102.9K. That downside liquidity does give me pause. If the market gets shaky, we could sweep deeper than expected before lifting off again. Still, my broader outlook for June into July remains bullish, and I continue to see a similar upside wave as we've seen in past bull years, with 120K as a reasonable summer target. Switching to the one-week liquidation heat map, we can see that the real party is at 109K. In close proximity around that level sits over $400 million in liquidation leverage, an attractive setup for market makers. On the downside, the heat is cooler, with the most aggressive target down at 103.5K. On the 1-hour chart, money flow remains green. The VWAP is turning up again, and we are seeing fresh green dots flash on the chart, signaling another trend wave forming to the upside. If bulls break through 107.5K with volume, the next immediate target is 108.3K, and that could magnetically pull us straight into 109K. From there, it's just one more key resistance, up to the purple horizontal, the all-time high at 112K. With enough momentum and liquidity cleared above, that final push could come quicker than many expect. ETF institutions continue stacking aggressively. In yesterday's video, I told you we were already at $200 million in net inflows, but that BlackRock's numbers weren't yet posted. As predicted, they came in heavy. We closed June 25th with $547.7 million in total inflows, led by BlackRock with a whopping $340.3 million. Today so far, ETF inflows sit at $63 million, but more filings are still being updated as we speak. In other news, the company MetaPlanet, a Japan-based public firm often referred to as the Asian MicroStrategy, announced a massive new purchase. They just acquired 1,234 Bitcoin, worth approximately $133 million. This brings their total holdings to 12,345 Bitcoin, now valued at over $1.3 billion. Just to put this into context, Bitcoin's daily issuance post-halving is only 450 Bitcoin, or around $48 million at current prices. That means a single institutional buy like this absorbs weeks of newly mined supply in one shot. While retail panics or hesitates, smart money keeps accumulating. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.